We're gonna take a trip down under, and it's gonna get hot, so I suggest wearing something light. Take your arm out and burn up now. Big down, up, back. Fire, ball, burn up, back. Creepy walk, out, in, flick. Two more times.
Think I'm getting butterflies, but it's really something telling me to run away.
Fireball.
Baby, I'm the reason why hell's so hot.
Slow.
Baby, I'm the reason why that's so fun. Hell's so hot, oh so
Frolic.
hot.
Fast. Rain, hell, fire down from the sky. Big frolic. Fast. Hell, fire down. Yes. Destroy. Walk.
Manic like a chandelier, crack the ceiling. Marie Antoinette like she's lost her head. Falling for exteriors, as appealing as there might be. I know I'm afraid.
Fireball. Right hand.
Baby, I'm the reason why hell's so hot. INFERNO. Baby, I'm the reason why that's so fun. Hell's so hot.
Get drugged down. Oh, they're dragging you down fast. Can you think of anyone in your life who's dragging you down? I can.
So fun. Hell's so hot.
Frolic, last time. That. Rain, hell, fire down on the earth. Destroy everything good. Woo! Big.
So fun. Hell's so hot. Oh, so hot.
What's hotter than hell? You and a mesh tee. Get yours today at activebooty.com before they sell out. To watch the official video, click right here, and to do 60-minute and 30-minute sweat sessions with us, click right here. They never expire, and we do them every single week.